Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to save 100% of your income. That's right, I'm going to be telling you a specific method that you can use to save every penny that you earn from your job. Now this will work whether you are working full-time or part-time, but for this example in this video, I'm just going to be talking about someone who earns a full-time income from a full-time job. So let's get right to it. Now this will work whether you make 40 grand a year after tax, after, take home pay, 50 grand a year take home pay, 100 grand a year take home pay, whatever amount of money you earn, this will work. So if you're working a full-time job, and once again, this will work for full-time or part-time, I'm just giving you an example. If you're working a full-time job, let's just say that you're working 40 hours a week. Now you might work a little bit more, you might work a little bit less, but on average, 40 hours a week working for a full-time job is a good rule of thumb. Now, your sleeping hours every week are about 50 hours a week. Once again, might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less, but you should probably be sleeping about 50 hours a week on average, okay? So 40 hours a week for a full-time job, 50 hours a week for sleeping. Those hours are untouchable, okay? You cannot touch those hours. Okay, so moving forward, 24 times 7 is 168. That is how many hours are in a week. 168 hours. Yes, I just did that math in my head. 168 hours a week are available to you. 90 hours are untouchable. 40 for your full-time job, 50 for sleeping. 168 minus 90 leaves us with 78 hours. That's about 80 hours a week that you have left to play around with. So this is how you are going to save 100% of your income. You are going to use those 80 hours a week effectively, okay? So with those 80 hours a week, many people spend at least 10 hours a week watching TV. They spend at least another 5 hours a week minimum on their phone, on social media, cruising through social media sites, platforms, basically having fun, not doing anything significantly productive. If you just take away your TV time and your phone time for fun, your social media time, that's going to probably leave you about 15 hours a week that you can use more productively and more effectively to earn some extra income. So here's the thing. If you use those 15 hours a week and you earn extra income, you will be able to start some sort of money-making online thing that will allow you to pay all of your expenses with the income that you're earning from those 15 hours a week. And that's not even taking away time from your family. That's not even lacking sleep. That's not even speeding on your commute. That is literally just taking away your fun, leisure time that you likely have. So with that being said, okay, your expenses will be paid from the extra income that you earn during those 15 hours a week. And with that being said, your full-time income goes untouched. Now, when most people earn extra income, they adjust their lifestyle. They start eating out more, they buy more expensive coffee, they buy more clothes, whatever the case is. You can't do that, because you have to keep the same lifestyle. So if you could afford this lifestyle with just your full-time income and you supplement some extra income into that mix with these 15 hours a week, okay, then you can use the money that you make from the 15 hours a week to pay for your expenses, your mortgage, your rent, your electricity, your food, your entertainment expense. And the more extra income that you earn from those 15 hours a week, the more that you can expand your lifestyle. So once you've covered your expenses, let's say, just for the sake of argument, your expenses are $3,000 a month, okay? For everything. That's the amount of money that you spend on everything. Now, once you've covered your expenses, you can actually increase your lifestyle. So once you're earning $4,000 a month from this little business that you started, $5,000 a month, then you can actually increase your lifestyle. You can buy a better car. You can buy better clothes. You can go to get more expensive coffee, the high-end coffee shop, and so forth. And you're still banking 100% of your income. That's the coolest part about it. You go to work full-time, and on your spare time, you're working also. Instead of wasting your time, you're being productive. You're earning extra income, and that extra income is supplementing your money. Okay, that extra income is supplementing for your expenses. So with that being said, it's actually not that difficult. The thing is, you have to be productive. And I know what you're thinking. I don't have 15 hours a week. I'm telling you right now, okay? And I'm super busy. I'm a very busy person. But everybody can create an extra 15 hours a week. It's not about finding it. You're not looking for the 15 hours because it's going to be hard to find it. If you already don't have that much spare time, it's going to be hard to find it, but you create it. You do things faster. On your commute to work, maybe you record a video for your YouTube channel, just like I'm doing right now. Maybe you're recording a podcast, okay? Maybe you're doing some work on any spare moment that you have. Maybe on your lunch hour, you're eating your lunch in 5 or 10 minutes really quickly, and you're spending the other 50 minutes or 40 minutes or 30 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever, even if it's 5 minutes. You're spending the extra time creating this online business. Now, here's the coolest thing about it. You can easily start a website. You can easily start an Instagram account. You can easily start a YouTube channel. So before, when you were cruising through Instagram looking at pictures and stuff, you were essentially wasting your time. But when you're doing this, you're still cruising through Instagram, but you're creating a business. You're searching out sponsorships. You're building your own following and so forth. So with that being said, you're just really adjusting your lifestyle, okay? You can easily start a website from a computer, and you can update that website on a daily basis from your phone. And you don't even need a good computer, and you don't even really need a good phone. You just need something that works. I'm recording this right now from my iPhone 7, but I could have easily recorded it from an iPhone 4. So with that being said, you don't need the resources, you need resourcefulness. So I'm telling you right now, you have the ability to save 100% of your full-time income or your part-time income. Just all of the extra time that you spend doing stuff that you can cut out. And I'm not saying cut out your family time, because family is extremely important. I'm not saying cut out the time that you spend on your hobby, on your passion, because that's important too. I'm saying all of the extra time that you waste doing nothing productive, change that. Nothing that will positively affect your life, change that. Don't go on social media as much. When you're driving to work, instead of listening to the radio, create some content, just like I'm doing right now. And that extra income will cover your expenses. And therefore, you will have 100% of your income, your salary, your full-time salary, your part-time income to put into your bank account and save. That means you can pay off your mortgage early if you own a house. That means you can do tons of things. That means you can fund your retirement. You can retire early. Okay? It doesn't matter what age you are, whether you're 14 years old or whether you're 80 years old. You can do this. That's the beauty of it. And that's basically it. The most important thing is that you believe and understand that you can do this. It is possible, it is probable, it is plausible. You can 100% accomplish this. You just have to be resourceful, okay? Now, I'm not going to tell you how to go and start a website, because I learned how to do that stuff myself online by being resourceful. I'm not going to go and tell you how to earn money from Instagram or how to start a YouTube channel, because you have to be resourceful. I'm giving you your starting point. You have to continue from here. And that's basically it. That is essentially how to save 100% of your income, how to bank 100%, every penny of your full-time salary into your bank account every week, every 2 weeks, every month. You can do it, I promise you. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.